Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you how to copy text from any photo in your gallery. First we will tap on gallery, we will go on it. I am going to select some pictures where I will tell you how to select it, right? So you can just zoom it in and select the content, right? So one way is that, and then you can tap on it and it will show copy option. Another is this, that you have to tap on the screen, you will get more options, and there on the right hand side lower corner there is a symbol of paper with some text. You tap there and you will see the text that can be copied, right? That is available clear to be copied and paste somewhere, right? So using that you can select the text and you can copy it whichever you want to, or you can look it up, right? And then you will go somewhere, you will paste it up. That is how we simply use this feature of text from photos, right? So this is a menu that I'm showing here. The selected, the blue, the highlighted content is the one which we can copy. The unhighlighted part cannot be copied. Why? Because it is not clear, so it cannot be copied. Of course, that's how we use this feature of text from photos. See you in the next video. Ta-da!